Hey, good day everybody. Check out this Sonya massage gun. We'll do a little unboxing and review on it and a demo. That's sweet. Comes with a case too. Yeah, I really like this case. Here's the massage gun. This is everything that comes with it. It's nice. Got the massage gun there. There's some extra grommets too. Here's all the fittings, which I'll go over, and then the directions. Of course, the charging cable too. Here's everything again. Kind of show you what comes with it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up now. Turn it off. And then to turn it on, click that switch right there. And that comes on back here. All right, there's all the attachments for it. Okay, now these things are, you can see, are the same as the things on the attachments there. So that's when these go bad. These are extras. So to put it in, just take it and snap it in. There we go. Now for using this thing, just turn it on in the back, on the bottom here. Oops. That, and then you can see this will go on right there. And then you just go ahead and hit the touch screen for it. Really good. Same thing to knock it down. You do like that. Or if you just want to shut it off, come here to change the attachment. Okay, we'll go ahead and try this attachment now. All right, we've owned a couple massagers and this one is the best so far. We love this. So tried this on a bunch of different family members. They tried it on me, all the different attachments. It's awesome.